this is the reason why you want to buy something quality. Now, we have been in the exhibit space for over 30 years, and we've been known as the Portables, as Exhibita, now Wesky Exhibita. And we just want to point out to you the difference in between a premium back wall and an economy level back wall. So when it comes down to it, it really comes down to the fit and finish and the overall quality of the product. There's three things we're going to talk about. Number one is literally, look at this. It's beautiful. This is a piece. So this would be from a premium level. You can see there's end caps. We've got these great solid snap buttons or spring buttons as they're known. See inside there, great all color coded. They have all these color coding dots on there, which makes it easier to be able to put things together. And the piping is thicker. You're going to notice on an economy level one, sure, they still have some directions. Piping slightly thicker. There's a feel which you don't understand until you get there. But even the snap buttons, they're okay. They get the job done, but they just aren't that solid level of quality. It's not the same level of quality of finish. The end caps aren't redone here. The second thing that's going to come into is packaging. So packaging, give me just 1 second. This bag I'm going to bring up here, you can see has these nice end caps which help prevent against damage. Denier nylon. It's got this really great piping, color, easy to see, easy to track, and the zippers are high quality, which is a big thing because when you're transporting, especially in a modular type system, you want to be able to make sure that everything lasts. It's got wheels, grip, solid handles, great, simple, but zipper's already going on this. It's already going. Basically barely ever been used, and it still has this challenge. The last part that I really want to talk about, which is so important, which you have to know about when you're buying an economy level stand, one of the big or back wall, the difference really is going to be the ability to get replacement parts. So what happens is you have some young adventurous guy who can go and maybe he bends this, maybe he hits it, maybe he gets smacked in transport. You can't get a replacement part for any of those economy level pieces because they sell them as mass manufactured, sell them, and then you're done. But if you want something that's going to last longer and then also be able to replace just in case accidents happen, and we all know, anybody who's been in trade show business, accidents do happen, and so always having the option to have these replaced is really great. That same day, next day, sometimes even. We've been in these environments where something happens on the show floor, maybe a forklift runs through we've seen it where forklift literally just got the booth set up, forklift runs through something on the show floor and you have to replace it. So it's just good to have that stuff nearby. That's a long video, but I hope you learned something. Remember, better hardware, better finishing, better packaging, and replacement parts versus a little bit less shine, a little bit more opportunity for ripping and tearing, even if these ends aren't finished, as well as just overall structural strength. So that's it. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.